Vegetables in Holiday Underwear by Jared Chapman. I've been waiting all year long.
January, February,
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. For holiday underwear season. December. What's that? It's the most wonderful time of the year. Festive, merry, jolly, fun. There's cozy underwear and scratchy underwear. Inside underwear and outside underwear. Stretchy underwear and tight underwear. There's underwear that's the same and underwear that's unique. There's underwear for being alone and underwear for being together. There's underwear for baking, decorating, wrapping, mailing, giving. That's underwear, isn't it? Ho, ho, ho. And underwear for Santa. Wait a second. Aha! Babies don't wear underwear. Please. Sorry, babies. But holiday underwear is for everyone. Fine. Maybe you aren't ready yet. The end.